Need water damage restoration in Everett? National Restoration. Construction is your local emergency water damage team, ready right now. National Restoration Construction offers true 24/7 emergency response. Real crews answering calls day and night across Everett. Our IICRC certified technicians bring industry-standard expertise to every water damage restoration job in Everett. National Restoration Construction is fully licensed. License number NATORC 792M6 and insured, protecting every Everett homeowner we serve. When water damage strikes in Everett, National Restoration Construction restores your home fast. Call now for a free estimate. Call National Restoration Construction in Everett right now at 206-828-3, 0333. We are available 24/7.